Have you been waiting for your opportunity to own a waterfront home in Edmonton? Here in Glenridding Ravine, one of Edmonton's newest communities, sits this immaculate, fully finished two-story home featuring a walkout basement with in-law suite, an oversized double-attached garage, and yes, south-facing waterfront views right from the comfort of your own living room. I'm Jeff Edwards with the Macintosh Group at Remax River City. We sell homes in Edmonton and Sherwood Park. Welcome to Ridgecrest at Glenridding Ravines, where stunning design meets an unbeatable location. This beautifully finished home boasts direct south-facing views to the water, making it one of the most desirable spots in all of the community. Step inside to an open concept layout highlighted by 18-foot ceilings, elegant quartz countertops, a built-in wall oven, gas cooktop, and a sleek chimney-style hood fan. On the main floor, a full bathroom and flexible room offer convenience perfect for guests or main level living. Upstairs, the primary suite impresses with coffered ceilings, two generous walk-in closets, and a luxurious 5-piece ensuite complete with a deep soaker tub. You'll also find a full bathroom, a dedicated laundry room, 2 large bedrooms, and a versatile bonus space, ideal for a home office or a cozy retreat. Downstairs, the fully finished walkout basement includes a second kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a full bathroom, adding more functionality, whether you're entertaining, relaxing, or creating your dream home gym. And with no rear neighbors and tranquil water views, this home offers unmatched peace, privacy, and premium finishes at every turn. So if this incredible home is the one you've been waiting for, give us a call at 780-464-0075 or visit us online at macintoshgroup.ca.